Hey guys, it's Caroline from Touareg. Today we're going to check out our newest build and show off all the systems and components that help us go further for longer. We built this on a 2022 Mercedes-Benz 170 wheelbase chassis. We like this chassis for longer off-grid travel because it provides a lot more space for livability and comfort inside of a van. You'll notice I'm sitting on kind of an L-shaped couch here. I have my big lagoon table so I can easily work out of the van, go catch a trail, and then come back after lunch and get back to my emails. Starting out on the outside, Touareg always does a 32-inch tire, which is Mercedes-Benz Expert Upfitter certified, with a 17-inch wheel. Here we have a black Rhino Arsenal, which is one of my personal favorites. Behind, we will see our Agile off-road upgraded coil and strut here. This van specifically has a stage 2 on it, so we also have an upgraded leaf spring and an additional shock in the rear. Touareg separates our electrical system into 3 different sections. This helps us troubleshoot when things go awry. So all of our exterior items, from our lights on the roof to a future winch, or even this one you could do an Agile off-road Baja kit and the fog lights, all of that stuff would run on our auxiliary battery that's under the hood here that we install. This battery is also an awesome feature to have for being off-grid. This allows you to use your auxiliary battery to jump your start battery, making you fully self-sufficient. This van also has the Touareg Airliner roof rack, which you can find on our website. What I love about the Touareg roof racks is that they're so versatile and modular. You can really attach anything to that, and the first thing I would do is get a quote from Touareg Recreation Group on an awning. In the back here, we have the Touareg Airliner ladder that's going to match your Touareg Airliner roof rack. Again, I love the versatility on this. You can attach max tracks, a shovel, whatever you might need. Up on the roof, we have 345 watts of ZAMP solar that are going to power you off-grid. In this van, we have durable black coin grip as our flooring choice. I love this because it's super easy to just wipe down with a rag. You can also purchase an Inhabit carpet for this. They have lots of different colors, and we will custom measure and send those measurements to Inhabit for a custom cut carpet. This van features a 600 amp hour lithium battery system and Touareg's auto start feature. This paired in with our 12-volt air conditioner truly makes this an off-grid, fully self-sustainable vehicle. The Nomadic 3000 12-volt air conditioner is Touareg's choice for off-grid air conditioning. Reason being is because it's so highly efficient. This runs off of our Victron 600 amp hour lithium battery system. This is ideal for any pet owner or anybody who might be in a really hot environment. Below, you'll see what we call a washdown connect. So here we have our mixer, hot and cold, and then here we would actually put our shower hose into that. And then using the Touareg portable bunker basin shower, we can hang that up. So if maybe you're skiing, maybe you're in a Walmart parking lot for the night, anywhere you need some privacy or real warmth, you can take an indoor shower in this vehicle without taking up all the real estate that traditional camper vans might be using for an integrated shower. This van is equipped with a 30-gallon water tank, so for any week-long trips, you should be fully self-sustainable with that. And we pair this with our AquaHot heating system, so instant hot water and also instant hot air using those 2 systems together. Solving the toilet issue is always important for us. We make it super easy and nice and concealed in our cabinetry. So this is a Dometic portable toilet, 2.4 gallon on a kick plate, so she's not gonna roll around in your nice airliner cabinetry. One other thing that I love about this is that getting into bed and the struggles of having a high bed in a van is a thing of the past. It's a settee, it's a couch, it's a storage area, it's also a step into bed. So that's awesome for anybody who's short like me. In the back here, we have an Olympic queen size mattress. The sleeping orientation is gonna be bumper to bumper or vans north-south. So I love this configuration because you never have to climb over your partner or your friend in the middle of the night to get up and use the bathroom. So over here we have a Sirocco fan. I love these because they're omnidirectional. You can point it in the back, you can point it in the front when you're sitting on the couch, and then if it's in the way, you can just pop it up and make it kind of flush with your cabinet. So really easy way to keep air moving around in the van and also still creating headspace. On this side of the van, we have our AquaHot control panel. This is centrally located in the bed area, so if you wake up in the middle of the night and you're still a little bit cold, you can easily just bump up the temperature. Above the bed, we have a max air fan. This is great just to keep things ventilated. And also kind of a cool feature that I was able to experience with these is, you know, wildfires are here, and when you're in an area with a wildfire, max air fans are great because you can actually blow the air from the van outside. So you can change the direction of the fan, making it just super versatile for this application. On either side of the bed, we're gonna have our Touareg medium soft bunker bags and our cup holders. I love throwing my reading glasses in there, my Kindle, my water bottle, even a change of clothes for the morning. And below that, we're gonna have our awning style windows, which again are great, super versatile, whether it's raining or you just need a breeze in the van. Those are always there for you to use. Touareg is most well known for our airliner cabinetry. It's aluminum, it's powder coated, it's super lightweight, and it helps us stay in balance as we design and build these vans. Being a Mercedes-Benz expert upfitter, those are definitely some of our highest priorities when we start designing. Luckily for our customers, it comes in a multitude of colors and textures that you can choose from. Not only do you have choices in colors for cabinets, you also have choices for wall upholstery and countertops. Typically in a Touareg, you're gonna see butcher block countertops, but for this one, we did a solid surface. Any customer who goes through our custom build process would also have those options. I love the way Touareg does their galleys because you always get a sink filler. These are essential just because you're already working in a small space, so it's nice to be able to extend that sink area into a countertop when you need it. Over here we have our cooktop. This is run right off of our 600 amp hour lithium battery system, so highly efficient and super safe. Great for a mobile application. Below our cooktop we have a isotherm 130 liter fridge. Has a small kind of hotel style freezer in here, so if you're an ice cream sandwich person like me, you can put those in here. But these are great and definitely can support a single person or a duo for a week to 2 weeks, depending on your eating habits there. As we move over on the galley cabinet, you'll notice kind of our buttons and our gauge here. So what these do is controls our water system. So this blue button turns our water pump on and we can see how much water we have in there. Right now it is freezing in Colorado, so she's winterized. Below the gauge button, we're gonna have our cargo light button. So this is on a 3-way switch for our garage area under our bed. And then on the other side here, this red one, that is our gray water dump. All right guys, now we're in the garage area of our newest build and we've got a lot of cool features back here. The first one to point out is the Touareg upper lower bed screens. These are my favorite bed screens that we sell because not only can it be a screen, but it also comes with a privacy curtain too. So maybe you're taking an outdoor shower back here, drop down your screen, drop down the privacy curtain, and no water is gonna get inside the van. So that's a great feature. On our driver's side of the van, you're always going to find our electrical cabinet and a 12-volt outlet for a Dometic fridge, a paddleboard pump, whatever it is. But when we open that up, we're going to see our 600 amp hour lithium battery system and 3,000 watt inverter charger. There's a lot more going on back there, but we won't get into all that today. Above our battery cabinet, we always have a first aid kit from Touareg. We make these awesome, extremely comprehensive first aid kits with outer limit supply. Can't say enough good things about them, and love the magnetic attachment, making it super easy in and out, super quick. All right guys, on our passenger side, we're always gonna have our water cabinet here. When we open that up, we're gonna see our AquaHot system, fuse block, glycol, water heater, all the good stuff that keeps us warm in the winter time. And on the outside of the cabinet here, we have our fill. And then below, another one of those wash down points. So you can easily plug in a shower hose, set up your rear door shower curtain from Touareg, and have some privacy and take a warm shower. We have our 3-layer L-track. This is perfectly set up for a slide out tray, just Rocky mounts directly into that for bike mounts. Really any application you can find for L-track out there. These are great to have in the garage, kind of cargo area. More on storage. Above us is our bed panels. These bed panels are perforated, so if you're a big skier, maybe you just have a lot of gear and you're looking for more storage space, throw up a couple ratchet straps and you can hang your skis down here, hang your snowboard, hang up your laundry, air some stuff out, let it dry out. So super versatile area in the rear and can definitely accommodate all of your gear. No Sprinter van is complete without an upgraded audio system. Our newest model definitely got extra speakers, upgraded speakers in the front, and an amp. There's a multitude of options you can choose from with Touareg, but definitely improves the quality of your ride. Every camper van isn't complete until you have your swivel seats, and in this van, it's great because you can look at your guests, you can play a game of cards, or share dinner together. Also up here in the front cab, we have our S-Pod controller, easily located by the driver, so when you're on those dark roads, rolling up to campsite late, you can turn on all of your auxiliary lights. All right guys, that wraps up our tour of our newest off-grid build. If you're interested or have questions, give us a call or shoot us an email.